Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Life Science Educator. Today we are going to discuss about the most complex organ in the human body, the brain, and also its crucial partner, the spinal cord, and how they work together. So, the brain is the main coordinating center in the human body. It is protected by the cranium. It is covered by three membranes called meninges, filled with a fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, which protects the brain from shocks. Here you can see the three meninges which protects the brain from the shocks. And the brain has three main parts. They are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Here you can see the forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain consists of the cerebrum and olfactory lobes. It is the thinking part of the brain and controls voluntary actions. Here you can see the cerebral cortex, which is nothing but the cerebrum, the forebrain which controls the voluntary actions. And voluntary actions are the actions that are performed consciously, such as eating, walking, running, jumping, etc. And the midbrain controls involuntary actions. Involuntary actions are nothing but the action that happens automatically without conscious control, such as breathing, digestion, heartbeat, etc. And the hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons, and medulla. Here you can see the cerebellum, pons, and medulla. Cerebellum controls body movements, balance, and posture. Pons controls respiration process and also some involuntary processes. And the medulla controls heartbeat, blood pressure, swallowing, coughing, sneezing, vomiting, etc., which are nothing but they are also the involuntary actions. And here is the spinal cord. The spinal cord starts from the brain and extends through the vertebral column. It has 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Here you can see the spinal nerves. It carries messages to and from the brain, and it also controls the reflex actions. So reflex actions are nothing but reflex action is a sudden, unconscious and involuntary response of the effector to a stimulus. We suddenly withdraw our hand when we touch a hot object. Here you can see the reflex action. We have already discussed how this process happens. We discussed how the sensory and motor nerves pass the messages. If you have any doubts, please refer to the previous video. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.